Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Coinbase app on your iPhone or iOS device if it's constantly crashing or not even loading or just there's bugs and issues. Watch this video, it's got multiple solutions and hopefully it fixes your problems with the app. So if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. It really helps me out. So let's get into it. I'm going to open the Coinbase app on my iPhone right here. It's this one. And let's just say that it was continuously loading and it wouldn't work or it was crashing or whatever. What you could do is swipe out of here and then from the bottom of the iPhone screen, hold and swipe up until you can see all of the apps that are currently open and running on your device at the moment. And then from there, what you can do is hold the individual app, in this case Coinbase, hold it and swipe up. And that's going to close the app on your device. It's going to shut it down so that we can go back in here and access Coinbase again, press it, and then it will relaunch the app. And hopefully that fixes your issues and it will actually load the app on your device. Next up from there, with most apps nowadays, you do need to make sure that you're having a good internet connection to actually be able to use the app at its maximum capabilities and get the most out of the app. So what I would suggest doing is actually going to the settings and checking that you have a stable internet connection. So you can do that by going to the settings. Mine is in the home page right here up at the top. Access settings and then go to the Wi-Fi section. And make sure that you're connected to a good internet connection like I have here. This is EE home Wi-Fi, full bars, everything looks good from in there. If not for yourself, connect to a hotspot or even go out of the settings, go down to the mobile data and then make sure that mobile data is actually toggled on and that roaming is turned on as well. If you're still having issues from there, what we need to do is make sure that your Coinbase app is running at the latest update and there doesn't need to be any more sort of software updates from there. So how we do that is go to the App Store. For me, it's in the middle of my home screen. And then go down to the search bar and start typing in Coinbase. Press search. And then go to the first organic listing for Coinbase. It's this one right here. And on the right hand side, there's an open button. That basically means that this app on this device is running at the latest firmware, the latest update, the latest version. So you don't need to actually update from there. But if you did need to update, there would be a button at the side that says update. And that should fix all of the bugs and issues that you may be experiencing if you're not running the latest update of the app. However, if things are still not working, what we can do is go and clear the cache from your device, from the app on this device. So we need to actually go to the settings, click in there, go back to the main page and scroll down until you see general. And then from there, in the middle of the page, there's the iPhone storage, click in there. And now we need to find Coinbase. It's this app right here, click into Coinbase. And then you can see offload app text in blue. That's basically how we clear the cache from this app on this device. So press that and then confirm by pressing offload app in the blue text at the bottom. That's going to clear the cache. And then what we can do is press the reinstall app button and that will re-download Coinbase and reinstall it on this device so you can start using it again. And hopefully that fixes your issues. But guys, if you're still having problems from there, what we need to do now is actually as a hard reset, a hard reboot, just to delete the app and then re-download it on the App Store. And we can do that from within this page right here. Press delete app in red text and then down near the bottom there's to confirm delete app again. That's going to remove Coinbase from your iPhone or iOS device. And then we go back to the App Store. Find the listing for Coinbase, it's this one right here. Press the cloud icon with the downwards pointing arrow in blue right there, and it will start re-downloading Coinbase on your device. And again, use this as a last resort if all of the other issues or all of the other solutions do not work for you. And hopefully that fixes your issues. But guys, if none of these solutions actually work, then what I would highly suggest doing is actually contacting the Coinbase customer help team directly. And you can do that by going onto their website and finding an email address or a live chat option or even a phone number if they have it on their website. Go there, find their contact help desk and then walk them through all of the issues that you're experiencing and the things that are causing you issues about using their application. But if none of these issues work or none of these solutions work at all, please comment down below on this video Tell me what's going wrong, and then hopefully I'll be able to actually respond to you and come up with a solution tailored directly to you so that you can start using Coinbase again effectively. Anyway, guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully it's worked for you. If it has, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. It massively helps me out. And again, if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comments section. Thanks.